Hi, welcome to the fourth session of how to get 7 plus bands in IELTS in under 30 minutes. Session 4 is about the writing part of IELTS. The writing part of IELTS usually has two tasks. So you have to complete task 1 and task 2. In the task 1, you will be given either a graph, a pie chart, a diagram or a table that shows information about a topic. You will be asked to write a report on what you see in at least 150 words. So please remember, it must be a minimum of 150 words. If you are delivering the IELTS computer based, you will be typing these words and you can erase those words, you can change throughout the time, and if you are using the pen and paper based, then you have to cut or you can use the new sheet. The tips for task 1, it is that always try to give an introduction, summarize the most important points in the diagram, compare and contrast the most important changes in the diagram, and give a conclusion. So 4 parts are really very important. When you want to give an introduction, you can say the above or the given pie chart or the given bar chart is displaying average income of European countries, or it is showing the trends changes or the trends or changes over the past years, over the past 10 years, over the past 20 years, or whatever the data is. Then you need to summarize the most important points. Like for example, in the given pie chart, it is shown that the average income of the European countries is more than $50 per day or per month or whatever that is given. Then you need to compare that this is greater than this and the other is having this, so you can compare 2 or 3 at the same time, and always try to give a conclusion. You need to understand how you are being marked. You will be marked on the ability to answer the question, grammar and vocabulary, your ability to structure your answer. So structuring the answer is really very important. It starts with introduction, then summary of the most important point, compare and contrast, and lastly you need to give a conclusion. And use of connective words. So these are the words that are also called as connectors. For example, to begin with, however, for instance, having said that, in the beginning, later on, to start with, so things like that, they are called the connectors. The writing exam is 60 minutes in total, so you should spend 20 minutes on task 1 as it is worth 150 marks, and you will spend other 40 minutes on task 2 as it is worth a lot more, that is 250 marks to be precise. In the task 2, you have to write a response to the question giving reasons and examples to support your answer. It is an essay style question. The topics are always of general interest. You have 40 minutes to write your essay and you must write at least 250 words. Do not try to memorize the model answers for the writing test, as it will not help you. The examiner will see that you are not answering the questions that you are being asked and will fail you. The next lecture or the last lecture will be on the speaking part of IELTS. Thank you very much.